If you've ever sat at your desk wondering why you are still in the same position while others around you keep moving forward, then this video is for you. The answer is really about who you know or who likes you. Most of the time, it comes out with three things that are completely out of your control. And once you see them clearly, you can fix them. My name is Anajeria Kakabota. I'm the Group Head of People Operations with 14 years of experience, and I have watched people transform their careers simply by addressing these three things. Here is exactly what they are. Number one, your skills have stopped growing. The moment you stop learning is the moment you start falling behind. Organizations move fast, industries evolve. So the skills that you've got, they need to be necessary for the world of today. So the people who keep getting selected for opportunities are the ones who keep investing in themselves. New qualifications, new knowledge, new capabilities. Ask yourself honestly, when did you deliberately learn something new? Your growth is your responsibility, nobody else's. Number two, you are delivering results, but you are not demonstrating strategic thinking. This is one of the most people never see coming, because you can be the hardest working person in the room and you will still be overlooked. Because organizations want to promote people that can think beyond their current role. Decision makers need to see that you understand the bigger picture, that you can connect your work to where your business is going, that you can solve problems that have not happened yet. So stop thinking about what is in your front today. Start asking yourself, what does this organization need in the next 2 years, and how do I fit into that answer? Number three, your emotional intelligence is underdeveloped. This surprises most people, but the research is clear. At a certain point in every career, technical skills stop being the deciding factor. How you handle pressure, how you respond to feedback, how you manage relationships under stress. These become the difference between who stays stuck and who moves forward. The most overlooked professionals are often technically brilliant, but emotionally rigid. They struggle to collaborate across differences, they shut down under pressure, they take feedback personally. Emotional intelligence is not a soft skill, it is a critical skill and it is necessary. So invest in it deliberately. Your career is not happening to you, you are building it. One decision, one skill, one mindset shift at a time. Stop waiting to be chosen. Start becoming undeniable. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Anajeria Kakabota, and I'll see you in my next video.